Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. Okay, today I hope everyone stays safe. Okay, what we will have today is the lesson number 4, writing. Okay, the skills are 4.1.1 and 4.2.3. Okay, so this is the OPAM of today's lesson. Okay, the lesson objective and the success criteria. That is OPAM. Okay, so today we must, all of you, we must achieve 4.1.1 and 4.2.3 will be done in tomorrow's class. Okay, so in lesson 4 for writing, all of you must be able to explain simple content from what you have read. Okay, if you look at the objective, number 1, okay, by listing new product that comes out from waste that can be recycled. You can refer to the last lessons as your guidance. In example, what we can produce from the recycled waste. For example, paper or boxes. So, what you can come out, what ideas you can come out, or any product that you can produce from the recycled waste. I cannot tell you the answers. You need to list down. Okay. After this, I will explain to you the success criteria or what you have to do. Okay, because this is high order thinking skill. And then for the lesson objective number 2, you need to reply a message, okay, or email by giving ideas on problem solving. It's about a situation given from the email or message. Don't forget to copy the answers in your exercise book. Now, if you look at the success criteria or the things that you have to do, number 1, list down at least 4 or 5 products from the recycled waste in a bubble map. And then number 2, all of you need to be able to write the reply in about 80 words. Okay, answer the exercise given by giving a response from your experience, okay, from what you have read before in about 80 words. Just about 3 or 4 ideas in the email or the message. Okay, if you look at here, activity 1, listen to the video presentation made by teacher, made by me, and don't forget to copy the grammar used in this topic. The grammar used in this topic will be present simple passive. What is it? You may look to the notes given after this. Okay, if you look at the question for this lesson, I already prepared a PT3 example question. Okay, this is an example of PT3 question for paper 2 writing part 1. Okay, first, how to answer this? If you look at this, don't forget to read the question first. Okay, read the question first and then underline the keywords of the question. What is the keyword of the question? Okay, the keyword of the question is write a message to Alex giving some advice. So you have to give advice to Alex. About what? Okay, if you look at the question here, if you look at the email, underline the question from the email. For example, let me know what you think. So this is the question. About what? It's about what should I do? Okay, the new hobby. Okay, your friends actually talking about a new hobby. What should he do? Okay, so how to answer this question? First, look at these WH questions. Okay, you can look at here. WH question, number 1, what, why, who, when, where, how. This is I usually call 5W1H. Okay, so not necessarily to use all these WH question and 1H. Up to you, which one is maybe 1 or 2, which one more suitable to be used in the email writing or message writing? Okay, this is the answer. For example, hi Alex, how are you? I hope you are fine. It's nice to hear from you. I think you should focus recently on the activities you like the most. Last time I saw you updated your status in the Facebook that you seem really enjoying your cooking with your mom. So I think it is good to have cooking as new hobby. I heard rumors from our friends that you want to be a chef. So by keeping doing it, it would be best for you. Furthermore, by having cooking lessons from your mom, your cooking skill will be improved since you are very good at cycling, and cycling as your new hobby also fantastic. Your body can also look fit by doing it often. I can join you with I can join you with cycling every Sunday morning as I have the same interest in cycling. That is all from me. I hope you know yourself better and only you know what best for you. See you at school on Monday. Bye. So if you look at here, what and why? Okay? What? So the new hobby number 1, you have given suggestion to your friend about cooking, and then the second one is about cycling, and then you need to provide why is the reason you are choosing the new hobby for him or her. Okay, so I think it is clear for you. Okay, so this is the marks. Okay, the question value 20 marks. Okay, communication, action, organization, language or grammar, and content. Content means how far you fulfill the questions want. Okay, what is the question want? Okay, the question want you to give suggestion. So you need to fulfill the task. Okay, the question want. So it means you have to give suggestion. And don't forget to give why. Don't forget to give why, the reason why you give the suggestions. Okay, number 2, language or grammar. So this is very common. All of you know that the singular or plural that must be used in the email writing. So it is impossible for you to use they is, right? So you must use the proper grammar. Singular for what verb to be for singular. For example, it is. Okay? It cannot, it are. Okay? So number 3, the organization. How you organize the email or message writing. For example, it is odd or awkward if you write down there from the first email here, suddenly your friend Sarah, okay, bye. Okay, bye. So, okay, bye or the final closing should be here, right? Should be here. So, cannot put here. Okay, all of you. Please noted that one. Okay, so if you look at here, the organization. So point suggestion number 1, cooking. Point suggestion number 2, and then the why one, the why number 2. Okay, the reason number 1, the reason for it is why number 1 and why number 2. Okay, so you have something experience that you told your friend also can be put in your email writing. So here got 150 words. If you write down more than 80 words, it is nice. Don't write below 80 words because you won't get 20 marks if you are actually not fulfill the task. Okay, and then last is communication action. The communication action means whenever a people or somebody read your email, it feels comfortable. Okay, the person can feel it. Okay, it's not like hi Alex, hi Alex. I think you should do cooking. I think you should do cycling. Okay, bye. So that's like a robot. So you are not robot, you are people. So make sure you write the message or email like you are a person. Okay, have feelings or whatever you said must be a reason, have a reason there. Okay, it's common. Okay, that is communication action. Okay, so for today's grammar is you just need to have to copy this one. If you want to copy all this, up to you. But I just want to expose to all of you the differentiation. Differentiation means there's a difference, okay, between present simple, active and passive, for past simple and all of the notes here. Okay, just look at present simple because we will use the present simple passive. Okay, how to more understand, you may look at here. Okay, if you look at here, so the passive is used, the person who does the action is unknown, unimportant or obvious from the context. Okay, so this is the example. Okay, so I hope if you look at my answer here for the email, okay, you can understand. So that's all for our class today. Don't forget, activity number 1, listing. Activity number 2, writing email. Okay, write an email, reply the email. More than 80 words is suggest. Okay, so that's all for our class today. Don't forget to copy all the slides here. Okay, thank you.